Good morning everyone. Today we are going to read out a chapter from class 3rd, chapter 5, Fun with Shapes. So let's start. Something is wrong.
Something is wrong.
Our rangoli is not like my Amma's rangoli.
Our rangoli is not like my Amma's rangoli.
Amma made a pretty rangoli
Amma made a pretty rangoli
with dots and shapes.
with dots and shapes.
Let us also make it on paper.
Let us also make it on paper.
Let us do.
Let us do.
1. Make Amma's rangoli
Make Amma's rangoli
on the dots given below.
on the dots given below.
2.
2.
Name the shapes
Make the shapes
drawn in Amma's rangoli.
drawn in Amma's rangoli.
3.
3.
How many shapes
How many shapes
are made with
are made with
1.
1.
Curved lines,
Curved lines.
2nd.
2nd.
Straight lines,
Straight lines.
4.
4.
Use shapes and objects
Use shapes and objects
from the classroom
from the classroom
to make a rangoli design.
to make a rangoli design.
Outline the object and color.
Outline the objects and colors.
5.
5.
Try to make
Try to make
the following objects
the following objects
using shape cutouts.
using shape cutouts.
May use early
May use early
mathematics kit
mathematics kit
NCERT.
and CRT.
Teachers note.
Teachers note.
Encourage children
Encourage children
to use shapes creatively.
to use shapes creatively.
Let children compare two rangolis
Let children compare to rangoli
and discuss their similarities
and discuss their similarities
and differences.
and differences.
Let us do.
Let us do.
I want to make
I want to make
a gift box of
a gift box of
sweets for Diwali.
sweets for Diwali.
How do I make it?
How do I make it?
Let us see
Let us see
what a box
what a box
looks like
looks like
when it is opened up fully.
when it is opened fully.
1.
1.
Collect some cardboard boxes
Collect some cardboard boxes
and open them up carefully.
and open them up carefully.
What shapes do you see
What shapes do you see
in the flattened boxes?
in the flattened boxes?
I want to make an envelope
I want to make an envelope
for my Diwali card.
for my Diwali card.
This is for my grandparents.
This is for my grandparents.
How nice!
How nice!
I can show you how to make it.
I can show you how to make it.
2.
2.
Make an envelope.
Make an envelope.
Use a square piece of paper
Use a square piece of paper
and fold it
and fold it
as shown in the picture.
as shown in the picture.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4.
4.
Teacher's note.
Teachers note.
Encourage children
Encourage children
to open the box
to open the box
and look at the number
and look at the number
of faces
of faces
and notice their shapes.
and notice their shapes.
Let children make cylinders
Let children make cylinders
and cones with papers
and cones with papers
and cubes and cuboids
and cubes and cuboids
with the nets
with the nets
provided in the book.
provided in the book.
Baking biscuits.
Making biscuits.
They fit together
They fit together
in the box so well.
in the box so well.
Yes,
Yes,
because they are all rectangular in shape
because they are all rectangular in shape
and have the same size.
and have the same size.
Observe the faces
Observe the faces
of these objects.
of these objects.
What is common among them?
What is common among them?
I got a square
I got a square
and a rectangle
and a rectangle.
after tracing the wooden box.
After tracing a wooden box,
I got 3 different
I got 3 different
rectangles
rectangles.
after drawing outlines of
After drawing outlines of
the matchbox.
the matchbox.
Why did the 2 children
Why did the two children
get different shapes?
get different shapes?
Discuss.
Discuss.
Name any 3 objects
Name any 3 objects
that have rectangular faces.
that have rectangular faces.
Let us do
Let us do
1. Trace all the faces
Trace all the faces
of any cuboidal object.
of any cuboidal object.
Example,
Example,
sharpener or eraser.
sharpener or eraser.
A.
A.
How many different faces
How many different faces
did you get?
did you get?
B.
B.
What shapes
What shapes
are these faces?
are these faces?
C.
C.
Did you get a square?
Did you get a square?
D.
D.
Can you get 6 different rectangles
Can you get 6 different rectangles
by tracing a cube?
by tracing the cube?
E.
E.
Can a cuboid
Can a cuboid
have a face like a triangle?
have a face like a triangle?
F.
F.
The faces of a cuboid
The faces of a cuboid
are
or
in shape.
in shape.
2.
To
Construct the rectangles
construct the rectangles
using the sides given below.
using the sides given below.
3.
3.
Draw bigger rectangles
Draw bigger rectangles
around this small rectangle.
around this small rectangle.
Teacher's note. Allow children to build a rectangle with 4 sticks. Observe
Observe
if children have developed
if children have developed
an intuitive sense of a rectangle.
an intuitive sense of rectangle.
Introduce
Introduce
the word rectangle.
the word rectangle.
Provide them opportunities
Provide them opportunities
to observe
to observe
and draw rectangles
and draw rectangles
of different sizes
of different sizes
and in different orientations
and in different orientations
on a dot grid.
on a dot grid.
4.
4.
Count and write
Count and write
the number of rectangles
the number of rectangles
in the following picture.
in the following pictures.
5.
5.
Look at the different rectangles
Look at the different rectangles
given below
given below
and answer the following questions.
and answer the following questions.
A.
A.
How many sides
How many sides
are there in a rectangle? B. How many corners
How many corners
are there in a rectangle?
are there in a rectangle?
C.
C.
Are there any sides
Are there any sides
in a rectangle
in a rectangle
that are equal in length
that are equal in length
to each other?
to each other?
D.
D.
What do you notice in a rectangle?
What do you notice in a rectangle?
Describe it in
Describe it in
your own words.
your own words.
Same to same.
Same to same.
My aunt gifted a board game. O.
O.
These tiles are exactly like squares.
These tiles are exactly like squares.
The chess and ludo boards
The chess and ludo boards
are also square in shape.
are also square in shape.
But
But
when I fold them,
when I fold them,
they become a rectangle.
they become a rectangle.
I wonder
I wonder
what is the difference between a square and a rectangle.
a square and a rectangle.
I found a difference.
I found a difference.
Look at their sides.
Look at their sides.
In a rectangle,
In a rectangle,
all sides do not necessarily have to be equal in length.
all sides do not necessarily have to be equal in length.
It is enough
It is enough
to have just the opposite sides
to have just the opposite sides
be equal in length.
be equal in length.
In a square,
In a square,
all sides
all sides
must be equal in length.
must be equal in length.
1. Both have
Both have
sides.
sides.
2.
2.
Both have
Both have
corners.
corners.
How many squares
How many squares
do you see in this drawing?
do you see in this drawing?
Teacher's note.
Teacher's note.
Allow children
Allow children
to make a square
to make a square.
with 4 sticks. Observe if children have developed an intuitive sense
An intuitive sense
of a square
of a square
and right angle.
right angle.
Let us do
Let us do
1. Here is a square.
Here is a square.
Draw two bigger squares
Draw two bigger square
around this square.
around this square.
2. Use matchsticks
Use matchsticks
to make a square
to make a square
so that
so that
it has squares
it has squares
on all its sides.
on all its sides.
How many squares
How many squares
did you get?
did you get?
3.
3.
Complete the squares
Complete the squares
using the sides given below.
using the sides given below.
4.
4.
Use the square cutouts from the book
From the book
to do this activity.
to do this activity.
How many different shapes
How many different shapes
can you make by joining?
can you make by joining?
A.
A.
2 squares.
2 squares.
B.
B.
3 squares.
3 squares.
C.
C.
4 squares.
4 squares.
Show them in a dot grid.
Show them in a dot grid.
Some dot grids
Some dot grids
are provided
are provided
in the back of the book.
in the back of the book.
Let us explore.
Let us explore.
1.
1.
Tick
Take
the shapes
the shapes
that are rectangles.
that are rectangles.
Which figures
Which figures
are not rectangles?
are not rectangles?
Explain why.
Explain why.
2.
2.
Can you fold all the corners of a square sheet
Of a square sheet
in such a way
in such a way
that the number of corners
that the number of corners
remains the same?
remains the same.
3.
3.
Make a square
Make a square
on a cardboard sheet
on a cardboard sheet
and cut along the dotted lines
and cut along the dotted lines
marked on the square
marked on the square
as shown
as shown
to get 4 triangles.
to get 4 triangles.
Make as many different shapes
Make as many different shapes
as possible.
as possible.
By joining 3 triangles together,
By joining 3 triangles together,
how many shapes
how many shapes
can you make?
can you make?
Now try with 4 triangles together. Square corners.
Square corners.
Which tile will fit in the corner
Which tile will fit in the corner
of this table?
of this table?
Will the same tile fit
Will the same tile fit
in the corner of the math book?
in the corner of the math book?
Are the corners of a square the same?
Of a square the same.
How do you know? Pile up some squares over one another and see are the corners of a rectangle the same?
Of a rectangle the same.
How do you know? Pile up some rectangles
Pile up some rectangles
over one another and see are the corners of the square
are the corners of the square
and the rectangle
and the rectangle
the same?
the same.
Names of objects in your class
Name some objects in your class
that have only square corner.
that have only square corner.
Let us decorate
Let us decorate
these frames with threads.
these frames with threads.
The corners of a square
The corners of the square
and a rectangle
and the rectangle
are square corners.
are square corners.
Are the corners of the shape
Are the corners of the shape
the same as
the same as
that of a square
that of a square
and a rectangle?
and a rectangle?
How beautiful.
How beautiful.
Let us do.
Let us do.
You can join
You can join
2 paper strips to show different corners. Less than a square corner,
less than a square corner,
square corner,
square corner,
more than a square corner.
more than square corner.
Use the strips
Use the strips
to show a square corner,
to show a square corner,
more than a square corner,
more than a square corner,
and less than a square corner. Can you use the strip to check whether the corner of your table and the board are square corners? 1. Mark the square corners in these shapes. 2. Connect the dots to make some squares. How many different squares did you get? Teacher's note. Encourage children to classify shapes with only a square corner, shapes with less than a square corner, and shapes with more than a square corner. Some shapes will have more than one type of corner. Make such shapes using matchsticks. 3. Look at the picture given below and answer the following. A. Count and write the number of corners. B. Circle the square corners. 4. Use 2 matchsticks to make 2 square corners and then 4 square corners. Draw and sew it in the space given below. I can use 2 matchsticks to make 1 square corner. 5. Murugan made 3 squares with 10 matchsticks. How many squares can you make with 12 matchsticks? Triangle, triangle, so many triangle. What is common to all these things? They have triangular faces. Describe a triangle. Triangle have sides. They have corners. Let us do. 1. Draw and name some triangular objects that you see around you in your notebook. 2. Count the number of triangles in the given rangoli. A, B. 3. How many different triangles can be made using the dots on this circle? 4. Move 2 matchsticks to turn the one triangle into 2 triangles. Teacher's note. Paper folding and cutting to be used to create different types of triangles. Students should be encouraged to build triangles with sticks and clay. Circles with circles. Let us discuss. 1. Have you been to a circus? 2. What does a circle look like? How is a circle different from a rectangle? Let us do. 1. Name some objects that are like circles. 2. Draw colorful circles to complete the circus scene. 3. Draw circles by tracing bottle caps, bangles and rings in your notebook. Children are playing a game. They have made a circle on the ground. Have you played any game where you need to draw a circle? Try to make a circle on the playground. What are you doing with the paper plate? I am folding the plate in half. Open it up. See, I got a straight line going through the circle. I made it red. I made other folds and made the lines blue. They are not as long as the red line. Let me fold another half and see what happens. You get two straight lines and they meet at a point. Is that the center of the circle? Let us take a paper plate and fold it in half the same ways as the children did. The point where the lines meet is the center of the circle. Make some puppets using circular shapes and play with them. Let us do. 1. Look at these two shapes and discuss their similarities and differences. Take the appropriate word. Both the square and the triangle have straight edges. A. Their corners are same, different. B. Number of sides is same, different. 3. Choose any pair of shapes. Share the similarities and differences in the shapes with your friends. 4. Find the largest rectangle in these shapes. 5. I made one triangle. Then I made another row of triangles. How many triangles are there in the second figure? If it make one more row, how many triangles will be there? In the third figure. 6. Here are some rectangles that are torn. How many square pieces have been torn from each shape? Teacher's note. Children can play Find My Rectangle game. Use dot paper. One child marks two opposite vertices of a rectangle on the dot paper. The second child has to complete the rectangle shapes. 7. Each of these shapes can be the odd one out. How is each one odd? Discuss. 8. To complete the rectangle, pick the appropriate shapes from the left side to fill the gaps in the shape on the right side. 9. Draw two lines to split the shape into three rectangles, into three triangles. 10. Draw one line to split the shape into three triangles. 11. Make the following shapes with different sizes and orientations. Angular positions in your notebook. A. Triangle. B. Rectangle. C. Circle. D. Other shape. Doors, dots, lines. Look at the flower decoration. So many lines and curves. My grandma's saris have beautiful lines border. Try to make your own border designs using both curved and straight lines. Continue the following pattern. Tangram. Use the pieces from the Tangram puzzle given in the end of the book. Can you create these shapes using some of the pieces?